Using the take process when welding stainless steel constructions, seams appear. These seams are unattractive and require treatment. Today's choosy customer demands impeccable quality and first-rate surface finishing. In short, the customer wants perfection. Most professionals maintain the three-step method when finishing stainless steel constructions. Not only is this method time-consuming and very aggressive, but often it creates grinding mistakes that are difficult to repair, and the three-step method is only meant for experienced users. Another drawback of the old method is that one has to change discs between each step. The flexible surface conditioning tool is used in most cases for finishing during the last step. Because this tool has limited abrasive capabilities, it fails predominantly in terms of durability and work speed. Out of the preceding methods, SIBO created the perfect marriage between grinding and finishing. The RCD. The RCD disc is the best of both worlds. Fast grinding and a first-rate finishing. This is delivered through the choice of the materials used, their size, shape, and positioning. The adaptive capability of the SIBO RCD disc reveals its forgiving nature. The cushioning effect makes for a higher level of comfort and a soft contact with the workpiece. Damaged and quality control rejected workpieces are history with the RCD disc. Even inexperienced users can now finish welding seams with perfection. To achieve flawless grinding, the exact disc speed is important. Burn marks and premature erosion are the main risks of grinding at high speed. Because of a low speed, you have complete control over the grinding process, the prevention of burn marks, and damage to the workpieces. Grinding at an angle of under 30 degrees enlarges the grinding area. The grinding motion is extremely important for optimum results. The rotation of the disc is the direction of the desired finish. The motion of the grinding tool is in the opposite direction. You're guaranteed a flawless and perfect finishing result.